The next one is the Cryptomeria. This is the variety called Yokohama. Now this is another of those trees that literally require no wiring whatsoever. You can wire if you wish. The wires will be provided, but just to show you, simply by pruning and creating layers between the branches, you will get a very credible looking bonsai. Just a word of warning, don't go too mad or enthusiastic, because you may end up cutting all the branches off. Just judiciously look for the visible branches, keep the visible branches, and trim spaces between the branches. I've used this in a lot of workshops. A number of our beginners come to the workshop and they have created very successful little trees just by trimming like this. Again, remove the soil from around the trunk and simply putting it in a pot, you will get a very credible looking tree. Now, I always advise people not to take all the soil off, just remove the soil. Begin with the soil underneath the pot to get it to sit comfortably. There you go. You can tie it in, you don't need to. Now I've used quite a deep pot here. How easy is that? That really looks a credible tree. The Cryptomerias are grown like that. You can thin a little more, but I probably don't even need to do that. So this is the Cryptomeria Yokohama. I'm now going to show you the next variety we do, which is the Cryptomeria Wilmoriana. Now this one is not as easy as the Yokohama, but it is nevertheless still a simple tree. So the first thing I always do is to remove the soil from around the trunk, just to reveal the trunk. As soon as you begin to reveal the trunk, it begins to take on a tree-like appearance. From past experience, I know that the habit of this tree is to be a multi-trunk tree. So let us thin some of these longer branches. I'm trying to get like a dome shape or a triangular shape, and I'm again trying to create spaces between successive layers of branches. You've got to be careful not to prune any of the principal branches or the trunks off. Very congested, a lot of growth. Prune the young shoots, keep the visible branches. That branch is almost like a separate tree. It's so congested there. You've got to just be a bit careful not to knock the branches off. They are quite brittle, and if you're not careful, you can break the branch. So do be a bit careful when you wire or snip it. That pad is very dense and thick, so I'm just going to thin it a little more. I'm trimming it into a conical shape. That's all I'm doing. Or a dome shape. It's a very wide triangle. So you can see the shape is becoming like a low-growing tree. You do get these low-growing trees looking like this. So I've only used a single piece of wire so far, which shows that you don't always have to do much wiring. I'll use another piece of wire. So second piece of wire coming up. I'm using here 1.5, no, this is 2mm wire. 2mm wire. So you'll get a couple of pieces of wire, more than enough, I hope, with the kit. So it's just to separate the trunks. So for a novice, producing something like this, look at the beautiful roots. You can't complain that the tree is not growing vigorously. So we are supplied with a slightly deeper plastic pot, and all you do is put it in a pot, and there you have the makings of a very nice tree. Better than a lot of these trees you can buy commercially. And use the same soil. You don't need to have extra soil. The soil that came out of the pot is very good. So that is your Cryptomeria Wilmoriana. So there's another type. So they're quite different. The two are completely different in character. So that is your Cryptomerias.